In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Outlook email account. Whether you're looking to manage personal correspondence or need a dedicated account for professional communications, setting up an Outlook email is a straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own Outlook email account ready to use. First, you'll want to visit the Outlook website at outlook.live.com. This is the home of Microsoft's suite of cloud-based email services, and it's from here that you can begin setting up your account. Once the page has loaded, keep an eye out for the option that says Create Free Account. That's what you'll need to click to get started on your journey toward a new email account. Now it's time to choose your new email address. Think about what you'll be using your email for. This can help guide your choice of name. If it's for personal use, you might include your name, while for professional purposes, something simple and recognizable is best. After typing in your preferred email address, hit Next to proceed to the next step. Here, it's key to set a strong password. A good password is a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This not only increases security, but also helps protect your email from unauthorized access. Following that, you'll continue to follow the prompts provided by the site to finish the registration process. The prompts are designed to make sure you're filling out all necessary information accurately, so pay close attention to each piece of information you input. To ensure your account is secure and truly your own, the next step is to verify your identity. Outlook gives you two main options here. You can verify via phone or using an alternate email. Choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions provided to confirm your identity. This step is crucial because it protects your account from unauthorized access and helps recover your account if you forget your password in the future. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your brand new Outlook email account. From here, you can start exploring the various features and tools Outlook provides, such as managing contacts, organizing your inbox, and scheduling events. Congratulations, you're all set up and ready to start sending and receiving emails. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful on your way to creating an Outlook email account. Enjoy using your new email, and don't hesitate to explore all the additional features that might enhance your email experience.